Hello, this is Algebra D, page 4, notes, questions 14 through 15. Both of these we're going to be asked to find the mean, median, mode, range, and interquartile range of the data set. So we're going to start by finding the mean. Mean means average. So we're going to add everything together. When I add them all up, I get 520. You're going to divide by how many numbers there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we divide by 7. The average is 74.3. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. To find the median, you need to put the numbers in order. So our first number is 35. The second one is 65, 70, 80, 85, 90, and 95. Find the median. I'm going to work my way to the middle, checking off one as I go. And then we find the median number is 80. The mode is the number that appears the most, and since none of them repeat, there's no mode. Range, you're going to subtract the largest number, 95, from the smallest, 35, and you will get 60. The interquartile range, or IQR, you're going to split the data into two parts on either side of the median. You're going to find the median of each of those sections. So the middle number here is 65. The middle number here is 90. You're going to do 90 minus 65 is 25. We're going to do the same thing with this data set. So finding the mean. Again, mean is average. Add them all up. When I add these all together, I get 61. Divide by the number there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 61 divided by 8 gives you a mean of 7.6. To find the median, again, we're going to put them all in order. We have 5, 5, 6, 8, 8, 9, 10, and 10. To find the middle number, I'm going to mark ones off on either side until I get to the middle. I realize the middle is 2 8s, so the median is 8. The mode, what appears the most, we have 2 5s, we have 2 8s, and 2 10s, so all three are the mode. Range, subtract the largest from the smallest. 10 minus 5 is 5. And we have the interquartile range. It's where you split both sides equally. Find the middle number. Halfway here is 5.5. Halfway between 9 and 10 is 9.5. 9.5 minus 5.5 equals 4. That's all for this set of notes. Please open Algebra D, page 5 for more help.